Barkley and kids, what are y'all doing?
Well, hello.
Barkley!
You're a good filmer.
Hey.
Look out, here she comes.
Hi.
The woman that I love.
If you couldn't tell, Connor went hunting this morning with his dad. I obviously did not. I'll be here with Brekkie. It's too early for me.
She'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Large Camping. Last video you guys saw us in Denver, Colorado, and we spent the last week driving all the way across to northern Arkansas to catch the final days of fall and spend some time with my dad.
It feels so good to be back here. We've been here in March, but we didn't get to show you guys around the property or anything, so we're gonna do that today and just enjoy the fall weather.
If you did watch the video where we camped in my dad's cargo trailer, you know that we couldn't get the camper back into our actual piece of property, but the city came out and re-graveled the road and they kind of widened it a little bit. So we're actually able to get the camper back here, and it's just nice to be able to spend time in our home on this property, and I think it's gonna be a gorgeous day, sunny and 60. We can't wait to show you guys around.
Sing for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go.
One of the main reasons we have done a cargo trailer here at this property is because there are some huge rock formations all around, and so it'd be really difficult to build an actual foundation. And we're gonna go hike around the place and show you some of the cool spots, and you'll get a better idea as to why cargo trailer is the perfect solution up here. Are the leaves crunchy enough for you?
Yeah, pretty good.
We try to find our ways in life, give our hearts and so love we all night. But you just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down. But I can't hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a story. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over.
Example A. This rock It's bigger than the camper.
Up we go.
We've had this property in our family for 7 to 10 years, and we've always known that there's a family of bears that live here. And it wasn't until last week that my dad actually saw one. But we get pictures on the cameras all the time, and I'll post a couple of those pictures here because there's about 5 or 6, and I'm surprised it's only been once that we've seen them.
How far you drifted away from me. I held your hand when time was rough. I tried to keep your feet on the ground. You just wanna drink the beer and grab the glass and let it go down. We're going down. Now I can't hold you any longer. I can't cope 'cause you're a storm. A storm, a storm. I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over.
And just like that, we are back on the gravel road. Really nice way to start the morning. Took about an hour and a half, and we just kind of walked around, looked at the beautiful trees that are on this property. It's pretty hard to navigate because it is so steep in certain areas, so it's definitely a slow walk around, but we love it out here. See you guys back at the trailer. Come on.
Away from me.
As you can tell, we just got back to the camper. We let Barkley out and just having a little snack. And then we're gonna show you guys something very exciting. Right? Yeah.
After 18 months living full-time in our truck camper, one thing that has continued to change is our power consumption.
When Jackery reached out to us to test their 2000 plus solar generator, we knew it was a no-brainer, and we were so excited to get this new product.
In the world of solar generators and portable power stations, few brands have been around as long as Jackery, so whenever they came out with their new Plus series, we knew that it would be a huge game changer for us living on the road. So let's go check it out. Jackery sent us their brand new 2000 plus solar generator, which is a 2 kilowatt portable power station that can be expanded up to 12 kilowatt hours or 24 kilowatt hours if properly configured. This unit does have a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter with a surge of 6000 watts, which is capable of running any appliance that we can have on the road to make living full-time comfortable. If we had an air conditioner on our truck camper, we would be able to power it with this 25 amp outlet. We're extremely excited for the dual 100 watt USB-C outlets that will let us efficiently charge our computers without having to run the inverter. It also has 2 USB-A 18 watt outlets and a DC 10 amp outlet. This 2 kilowatt solar generator is rated at 4,000 cycles to 70%, which is about 10 years of daily use, so it will last us a long time. It does come with a 3-year warranty that will be expanded up to 5 years if you register your product. We're going to take it inside really fast and run all of the appliances to put the inverter to the test. We have our 3 highest drawing appliances. We're going to fire them up one at a time and see how it goes. All 3 appliances are running and it's drawing about 2,900 watts, so we'll see if it surges past 3,000 watts. 36, 38. That's pretty impressive. There are a few different ways that you can charge the 2000 plus. First, from a 110 volt outlet in your house, it can be charged empty to full in just 2 hours at 1500 watts. This can be lowered to 500 watts for a quieter charging experience if desired. It can also be charged from the DC outlet in your car at 8 amps or about 93 watts. Finally, it can be charged with the Saga 200 watt solar panels. This solar generator can take a total of 1400 watts of solar, and when paired with 2 200 watt solar panels, it'll charge empty to full in about 4 to 6 hours of full sun. The Jackery Saga 200 portable solar panels are a perfect addition to our setup. In addition to the really nice travel case that these panels come in, they're also IP67 rated for outdoor elements. The slim design and 17-pound weight makes for easy transportation and storage while still providing an efficient solution for charging the 2000 plus.
You can control our Jackery 2000 plus through their app, which allows us access to real-time data about input and output and the current state of our battery. With expandable capabilities, we're confident the 2000 Plus will meet and exceed all of our future power needs.
Right now you can enjoy Jackery's Black Friday offers on their official website and on Amazon, which is offering portable power stations and solar generators for up to 50% off. You can also subscribe to Jackery's Black Friday live stream, which will happen on November 27th, where they're offering over $50,000 in prizes and giveaways.
Now we'll get back to camping. It's getting chilly. I put on my beanie and my puffy. I think it's like 4 or something. Once the sun drops over these hills, it gets very cold. So I think we're gonna start a fire and just hang out, read a little bit, and I think we're doing burgers for dinner.
Cheater.
Cheater. Make it easy.
It's the same old sound in the same old town. I wake up early with a sigh. The morning breaks to leave behind the night I need to get me by. Safe and lonely. It's the same old sound for days to come. I close the blinds and carry on. Not afraid
Morning.
to stay
Chilly, chilly, chilly. Moving day.
around 'cause they I'm fine. It's the same old sound, the common ground. Just leave me be, don't ask me why. Behind these walls, no one talks, and tears will freeze, I'm left to dry. Safe and lonely.